Did you know that your dash cam could be working for you, even while you're parked? Imagine having a 24/7 surveillance system in your car, keeping it safe and capturing any unexpected incidents. That's exactly what the BlackVue Elite 8 TED 1CH dashcam promises to deliver. Today, we're diving into the features, performance, and reliability of this dashcam to see if it really lives up to the hype. Welcome to Autovated. In this review, we'll break down the BlackVue Elite 8-1CH dashcam, including its specs, key features, and how it stacks up against the competition. This model comes with a 64GB micro SD card, 2K QHD resolution, and a B130A battery that promises up to 30 hours of parking mode without draining your vehicle's battery. It's designed with safety in mind, offering smart parking mode, HDR, and event detection features that could potentially save you from a costly repair. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the key features. The BlackVue Elite offers 2K QHD front and rear recording, paired with the STARVIS 2 sensor technology that guarantees clear, vibrant footage even in low-light conditions. Whether you're driving at night or facing harsh sunlight, the HDR function ensures that the footage is balanced and easy to review. The addition of smart parking mode means that it continuously monitors your surroundings, detecting motion and impacts while your vehicle is parked, and saving footage before and after events. This ensures that you have comprehensive evidence in case of any incidents, even when you're not around. Another major highlight is the B130A battery, which supports up to 30 hours of parking surveillance without draining your car's battery. And when it's time to recharge, the dashcam features fast charging through a USB-C port, making it easy to keep the camera running at all times. Plus, the overheat protection ensures that charging stops if the internal temperature or voltage limits are exceeded, safeguarding your equipment. On the installation side, the BlackVue Elite offers a Wi-Fi and cloud connection, allowing you to instantly control and access footage from your phone or tablet. The setup is designed to be straightforward, especially with the direct DC connection. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros: the 2K QHD recording is sharp, the STARVIS 2 sensor works impressively in low-light conditions, and the smart parking mode is a great security feature. The B130A battery ensures you get long-lasting power for parking mode, and the USB-C fast charging adds convenience. On the downside, while the setup is user-friendly, it might be a bit tricky for beginners who are not familiar with dashcam installation. Also, while the price is justified for the features, it is on the higher end compared to some alternatives in the market. Value for money is where this dashcam shines if you're looking for high-quality footage, long parking mode support, and ease of use. It's a solid option if your priority is clear video recording, especially with its advanced features like event detection and HDR. When compared to its competitors, such as the Garmin Dashcam 66 Baduts or the Vantrue N2 Pro, the BlackVue Elite excels in its parking mode capability, with a longer battery life, thanks to the B130A, and superior image quality with the STARVIS 2 sensor. However, competitors may offer a more budget-friendly option for those who don't need all the advanced features or parking surveillance. If this breakdown is helping you decide, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews like this. Now, who exactly is this dashcam for? The BlackVue Elite is best suited for those who value enhanced security and top-notch recording quality. It's an ideal choice for daily commuters and anyone looking for peace of mind while their car is parked. However, if you're someone who simply needs basic recording features without parking surveillance, this might not be the right fit. So, what's the verdict? The BlackVue Elite 8-1CH dashcam is a strong option if you want a reliable dashcam with exceptional video quality and long-lasting parking mode. If you're more budget-conscious and only need basic recording, you might find better alternatives. But for premium features, this one's tough to beat. Thank you for watching. Links to the product mentioned are in the comments box below. If you've already used the BlackVue Elite or have any questions, drop a comment and let's chat. Until next time, keep your road trip safe and your parking zones secure. Autovated out.